Today's topic is about the Java 8's factory methods. There are a few factory methods which I like to discuss. One is stream.of and other is stream.iterate and the third one is stream.generate. So basically, this is the factory methods which has been provided by the Java 8. So we'll explain you what exactly this stream of is, iterate is, and generate is. So let's take an view over here. So if you see the stream dot of will create a finite stream. So basically, if you want to create a stream which is of a finite stream, let's say let's say 10, 15 elements or any of the elements, then you can create that particular stream using the stream of. So it can be of any types of your like it can be a stream of integer, it can be a stream of string, anything, any stream which you want to create. So it will be a finite stream, not an infinite stream. So then comes a category called infinite stream. So here you can create an infinite number of streams. Actually, this will not be limited to up to some numbers, but as it in the case of the stream of. So if you see here, there is a method stream dot iterate. So it takes two parameters, that is an int and the unary operator. So if you see here, I just give an example. Like if you see, if you want to generate a stream of an integer which is n number of integers, which like it will be generating a stream like 1, then 2, then the multiplication, and then it goes on. Like if you see in this case, the first element will be the 1, and second element would be 2, then the third element would be 3. Uh, 3 sorry 2 into 2 is 4, and then it's equal to 3 into 2, that is 6, and then it's going to create with the series. So this is an utility method which has been provided by Java 8. Then third it comes stream.generates. So it takes a supplier as an argument. So let's say we have a requirement to generate a few random numbers. So we can use this generate to just that to get that particular infinite stream of this particular number. So I will show you in the code itself how it works. So I have a project over here. I have a class stream API factory method example. So basically I have a main method written over here. So if you see here, I have written all these three examples of this particular stream of generate and iterate. So let's take a first example. As I told, it will be creating a finite stream. So if you see here, I have created a stream of string using the stream.of. So it can be anything, like if you want, it can be a string also using the integer also. So let's say if you want this particular to be created as an integer, so we can actually create it with an integer, and we just have to replace this. That's it. I need to create a stream of integer. That's it. So it will be created a stream of this integer. So it can be it's your choice, like what kind of a stream you want to create. And if you want to see like what kind I mean, once the stream is created, you can actually perform some operation. So here I perform one of the I have just looped it, iterated it over using the say system out.println. Secondly, there is an iterated, as I said earlier, like it will be creating an infinite stream. So if you see here, starting would be 1, and then it will be multiplying it with the next number, that is 2 into 2, then it is going to be 4, then it is going to be 3 into 2, that is 6, and it's going to be uh, go on, like it's go on into till infinite. But here actually if you see, I have just placed another limit method which is going to limit up to the 10 iterations. So if I don't place this, it will be running in the infinite loop, so it may end up some crashing. That's the reason I've just placed it. I will show you with and without it, but it will not be visible properly. Thirdly, there is a stream.generate. If you see, I have just created a random integer numbers which will be going in the random class. So here also, if you see, I have just created an I've limited it to the 10 iteration because it will be it will be it will be running the loop like in the infinite. So that is the reason I've created it with the limitation of this just 10 iteration. So let's run this particular code. First I will run it without the limitation of this particular. So if you see, just look out at the console like how it will be running. So if you see here, this will be running in the infinite loop. You must be wondering why these zeros are coming. So if you see, I've just iterated to the next. Like if you see, it is going to, after a certain limit, it will be going to once the maximum value has been reached, it will be showing all the with the zeros. So now let's run it with the help of limit in both. So here you will be able to see the clear output, as earlier it will not properly visible. Okay, I will just show you the output over here. So if you see the stream API, what stream dot of like what you created is a finite string. If you see, it is iterated to each of this particular element over here, and then the second what we have talked, we have just iterated. I just use the iterate one. So it is just iterating to the next tell elements. If you see the multiplication, what is happen is in the 10th element. If you see here, it is limited to the 10th element. And then there is a generate. So if you see, it is going to generate the next 10 random number. Let's see, like where see it. So they are like the random generate up to the limitation of 10. So this is it about the factory methods in Java 8. Thank you.